Hello students, good morning to all. Okay, so I hope all of you are good, well in your home. Okay, so today we will start that your new portion of this chapter 5, that is we will study about quadrilateral and different types of polygons. So last class we have studied about perpendicular and different types of triangles on the basis of their sides and on the basis of their angles. Okay, so let's see today's class quadrilateral. First quadrilateral, quadri. Okay, quadri means 4. Okay, and lateral means sides. So those polygon which have 4 sides, that is quadrilateral. From the term only you try to understand. Quadri means 4 and lateral means sides, means those polygon. Okay, polygon which have 4 sides. Look at here. Is this polygon? No, because it is not a closed surface. If you connect all these and it will become closed surface, that's after that only this become polygon. Okay, so polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles. Here 4 vertices and 4 angles. This is quadrilateral. So first we'll see rectangle. A rectangle, it has 2 pairs of equal and opposite sides. So 2 pair equal, this is in this figure you say 2 pairs of equal and opposite side. If I'll name it A, B, C, D. So AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. These are 2 pairs of opposites, equal and opposite side, means AB is opposite to CD and these are opposite and equal, and AD is opposite to BC, these are opposite and equal. What else? Opposite sides are parallel, means AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Okay, and all angles are right angle. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to how much? 90 degree. So in this is called rectangle. So rectangle, in rectangle 2 pairs are, this is a quadrilateral. Okay, so 2 pairs of equal and opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So this is rectangle. Next you see square. All the 4 sides are equal. Okay, all the 4 sides are equal. If I name it A, B, C, D, means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, means all the 4 sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel, means AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Okay, opposite sides parallel and all angles are 90 degree. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. That's why square have 4 sides equal. Okay, all the sides equal and opposite sides are parallel and all the angles are right angles. Next you see parallelogram. Okay, so rectangle, square, SQUARE, square. Okay, parallelogram. Parallel, from parallel it has come parallelogram. Okay, you write parallel or you write, then you write gram. That is parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel opposite sides. So look, if I'll name it MNOP. So this MNOP parallelogram has what? 2 pairs of parallel opposite sides. So MN is parallel to OP MN is parallel to OP. Next, MP is parallel to ON. MP is parallel to NO. MP is parallel to NO. So, these are. You can see in square also, all sides are equal but opposite sides are parallel. In rectangle also, all sides are, means opposite sides are parallel. So, square and rectangle both are parallelograms. So, both are also coming under parallelograms. All parallelograms are not square and rectangle, but both squares, all the squares and all the rectangles are parallelograms because their opposite sides are parallel. Next you see rhombus. So rhombus is what? All the four sides are equal. Rhombus spelling you know, RHOMBUS. RHOMBUS, rhombus. Okay, so all the four sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal. Okay, so all the four sides are equal. So here, look at here. E, F, G, H. Okay, so here EF equal to FG equal to GH equal to HE. Okay, so all the four sides are equal. Then opposite sides are parallel, means EF is parallel to HGH. Okay, then EH is parallel to FG. Okay, so EH is parallel to FG, EF is parallel to HG. Okay, EH is parallel to FG and EF is parallel to HG. Next, opposite angles are equal, means like this you can mark it. You can say that angle E is equal to angle G, opposite side, opposite angle. Opposite angle of angle E is angle G. Then angle H is equal to angle F. Okay. So this is about rhombus where all sides are equal or the four sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. Okay. Next is trapezium. Okay. Trapezium. You see trapezium, TRAPEZIUM. Trapezium. Here what is there? In this quadrilateral, this is polygon where one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Only one pair. Okay. Look at here. If I name it A, B, C, D. Okay. E, F, G, H. So here you see AB is parallel to DC. But is AD and BC are parallel? No. Because if you extend this, what you can find? You can find that they are joining at some point. Okay. They are intersecting. That's why AD is not parallel to BC. Only AB is parallel to DC. So only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. That's why ABCD is a trapezium. Next you see EF and GH. Okay. EF, GH. This quadrilateral. Look at here. EF is parallel to GH. Because if you extend them, they are not meeting at any point. Okay. But you extend EH, you can see somewhere EH and FG are meeting. Okay. Means they are intersecting. That's why EH is not parallel to FG. Okay. That's why your EFGH has only one pair of opposite side, parallel opposite sides. That's why this is a EFGH is a trapezium. Okay. Next, we'll see polygon. Okay. So we are knowing that polygons are what? Any closed figure made of 3 or more line segment is called polygon. So if any closed figure it is made of 3 or more line segment is called polygon. So polygon should be closed figure and it will be surrounded by 3 or more line segments. So we can classify polygons, means classify means what? Divide. Okay, means we can differentiate polygons on the basis of their sides. Okay, let's see how many types of polygons are there. Look at here. Okay, look at the polygon, first figure. Okay, so here A, B, C. So how many sides are there? AB, BC and CA. So how many sides are there? 3 sides. That's why it is known as triangle. 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 Next you see A, B, C, D. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. So write down the 4 sides. So this is known as quadrilateral. What you say? 4 means quadrilateral. Okay. Next you see here, name it first A, B, C, D, E. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, A. So 5 sides are there. How many sides? 5 sides. That's why it is known as pentagon. Penta, P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. So here you will write gon. Before that, how many sides? 5 means penta. Okay. Next you see this. Name it A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. We'll count how many sides are there. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides are there. 6 means hexa. H-E-X-A. Hexagon. Okay, here 5 sides means you have written pentagon. Look, try. Why you have written? Because here 3 are there. That's why try. Quadri means 4 are there. Here lateral you have written quadrilateral 4. 4 sides. Pentagon because 5 sides. Hexagon means 6 sides. Let's see next. Next we'll count A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, count. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides are there. So that is known as hepta. 7 means hepta. We'll write heptagon. Then we'll name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So how many sides? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. 8 means octa. O-C-T-A. Octagon. Okay. Like this. For 9 side you can write as nonagon. N-O-N-A. Nonagon. Then for 10 you can write 10 means deca. Decagon. Okay. Till that you will know, you will remember 3 means if a polygon has 3 sides, that is triangle. If a polygon has 4 sides, that is quadrilateral. If a polygon has 5 sides, it is pentagon. If a polygon has 6 sides, that is hexagon. For 7 sides, polygon having 7 sides, heptagon. Polygon having 8 sides, octagon. Polygon having 9 sides, nonagon. Polygon having 10 sides, decagon. So this is about polygons. We have divided or we have classified along according to their sides. So side हिसाब रे हमें polygon divide करचे. जोटी 3 टा side थिबो, 3 sides थिबो ताको triangle. जोटी 4 side थिबो quadrilateral. जोटी 5 side थिबो pentagon. जोटी 6 sides थिबो hexagon. जोटी 7 side थिबो heptagon. 7 means hepta. Okay. जोटी 8 side थिबो 8 means octa. Octagon. जोटी 9 side थिबो nonagon. जोटी 10 side थिबो decagon. So this is about that classifications of quadrilateral. Means we have seen different types of quadrilaterals like rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus and your trapezium and different types of polygons. So this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Okay. Thank you.